Today we are gonna play something in Roblox called Chicken. If you guys don't know this game, it's basically you just collect eggs and you run from the chicken. This is gonna be interesting, but let's do it. Okay, we're going in the game right now. Come back. I don't care. Why is there... What's going on? I don't understand what's going on. What? How am I supposed to get the eggs? What's going on? Oh, wait. Some golden eggs. No! I'm gonna wait for this chicken. I don't really understand. Please let me steal it. Stop laying on the eggs. No, 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 no. Stop! Yes. Run! Help, help, help! Oh my god. Wait, there's a speed call there. Wait, no. Help. Help me. Can I grab another one? No? What is this? Wait. Oh my god, why is it still chasing me? Bro, this game is basically just like this. Oh, there's a maze. Let's go to the maze. I don't really understand. What are you supposed to do? Is this all you have to do? Just steal eggs and run from chickens? What? Where am I going? Where is the chicken? Wait, what? Where's the chicken? Where is the chicken? It's stuck. It's stuck right there. Okay, chicken. I'll just leave you there. I will just chill right here. Oh, in the chicken farm. Wow! Let's go to the barn. Can I go to the barn? Barn? It's still chasing me. Let's go to the chicken farm. See what's in here. There's chickens in the chicken farm. Oh my god. No! What the? It just jump scared me. Adopt a cute... No. No. Let me steal your eggs. Oh no. Okay. So, this game is basically just like this. Just gotta run from chickens. Okay, let's try. How do I buy something? Can I buy something? Maybe I need to steal enough eggs to do that. Let's just go here to the maze and hope we don't get caught. Oh my! Why is that chicken getting eggs? Let's go to the... Oh no, 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 no! Let's go to the chicken farm. Okay, let's see what's here. Yes, you can't catch me. There's... Is this chickens or is this roosters? What? How do they just jump scare me? How do I get more items? Cute. No. Please. No. What? OG just got killed. Gonna steal your eggs, buddy. Okay. Can I steal another egg? No, 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 no. Stop. No, no. I want to steal another egg. Can I steal another egg? Let's try it. I'm gonna steal. Come on. Wake up already. Yeah, I'm gonna steal this guy's egg. Let me steal this guy's egg. Oh, I could, right? Or no? I don't know. Please, no. Please, no. What? Wait, I just got a bag of money. I just died. And I got the bag of money. What? What? Give me that. Give me that. I can't? Bruh. I just gotta survive long. Maybe I need to survive long to get those items. Let's just go. What's this cannon? Wait, let's make him stuck. Let's go over here and... Oh my god. Make him stuck. Yeah. Oh no. Still there. No! How did she get me? Bruh. Yes. Steal the eggs. Help. What? That was embarrassing. Let me steal your eggs. Let's go. Let's go. Go over here. Go over here. Please freeze. What am I doing? I suck at this game. Why does that guy have a cloud? How do you get that? I want that. What am I doing? Why do I keep getting stuck? Give me your eggs. Okay, let's try it again. Should be able to do this time. I'm not lying to you. Chicken stuck? The chicken stuck? Can't tell. Is the chicken stuck? Can't see it. Got the maze first. Is the chicken stuck? Oh no, it's not stuck. It's definitely not stuck. Oh my god, where do I go? Oh my god. No, I don't want to adopt a penguin. Please. Help. Oh my god. It's still chasing me. How are you not getting stuck? Oh my god. There's two chickens run past each other. Let's go. Go. No, no, no. Bro. Like, come on now. Just let me do it. Bro, that guy stole my eggs. Give me eggs. Give me eggs. Give me these eggs. Yeah. Mine now. Okay. We should do this time. No joking around. Oh my god. That scared me. No! Bro, I can't jump over the chicken? Is the chicken like 9 feet long? I literally can't jump by the chicken. Wait. Let's go to here again. They can't catch me. Oh my god. I suck. I freaking suck. This might look easy. Wait, what? I already got caught? What? I don't understand. What just happened? I mean, give me these eggs. Oh my god, I can't. Please. No, no, no. Where is it? Which chicken? It's stuck. Yes. Yes. Oh! No! It's stuck? Stuck or not? It's stuck. Wait, no. No. Yes. What? How did it kill me? Okay, it's just not real. Get to the rooster farm. Yes. Can't kill me now. Oh, I got a cloud. What? Please let me keep the cloud. No. Yes. 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 I'm flying. Get the eggs. Get the eggs. Hey. Give me these eggs. Bye bye. Yeah, I'm in the overworld. What? How can the chicken jump so high? Oh my god. Oh my god. Give me these eggs. Just fly. Go. Can't get me now. What? The chicken literally could jump 191 feet. Okay, go, go, go. Fly. Fly, fly. Yes, yes, yes. Does it make me slower? Or does it make me faster? Does it go on top of the maze? What? Chickens just teleport. It's not fair. Bruh. They just teleport. Let's go here. Run away from the chicken. Oh yeah, you can't teleport to me, buddy. It's stuck. What the heck? Why? Why can chickens jump so high? Look at that. What the heck is this game? Why is it like so unrealistic? The game is named Chicken. And it says chickens can jump 191 feet. Are you kidding me right now? Do your calculations right. See? It just teleports to me. Bro, are you kidding me? Give me these eggs. Let's just use the cloud first. Can't get me, buddy. Now let's go here. You can't teleport to me, buddy. Can't get it. Where is it? Where is he? Oh, he's right there. Why is he teleporting? Why is he teleporting? How is that even real? Like, come on now. Bruh. Everyone is stealing chicken's egg. Okay. Go here. Go on top of chicken's barn. I can't. What? Wait, what? I can't go on top of the chicken farm? Try that again. Go way on top here. Oh, no. Why am I coming down? I can't go there. Why can I not go there? I can land on top of the farm, though. I mean, the barn. Look at this. Top of the barn. Well, let's try to do that. Is a chicken gonna teleport at me? Oh my god. Please. Yes. Yes. Can't get me now. Can't get me now. What? See, it just teleports. What is this game? Okay, I'm done playing this game. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. And see you guys in the next video.